Today we can see role of NGOs in tribal and rural development. See, NGOs are non-profit organizations. They are also known as non-governmental organizations. They act as pressure groups and they are also watchdogs of democracy. See, NGOs have a very strong grassroots level presence, and therefore sometimes they are in a situation to implement government schemes, programs and policies well because of their presence at grassroots level. And many a times they are in a commendable position, and even government also recognized that yes, some programs can be implemented through NGOs. So government also acknowledges the presence of NGOs in tribal areas and other places, and government has recognized certain NGOs as established voluntary agencies who have a proven track record of tribal development. So certain these kind of established voluntary agencies are given good funding, and they also government also ensure that there is an uninterrupted access to funds. You get me? Some of the EVAs include number 1, Ramakrishna Mission and its affiliated organizations, Bharat Sevashram Sangh and its affiliated organizations, Bharatiya Adim Jati Seva Sangh, Rashtriya Seva Samiti, Telangana, Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement, Karnataka, Vivekananda Girijana Kendras, DAV Managing Committee, Servants of Indian Society, Pune, Vinoba Niketan, Kerala. On one hand, NGOs are known for their commendable work, and on other hand, some NGOs are simply involved in staging protests and halting development programs. Merits of NGOs or some advantages or positive aspects of NGOs. Some NGOs are providing nutritional support through food banks or grain banks. They are creating awareness on nutrition, sanitation and hygiene. Some NGOs are responsible for providing clean drinking water, conducting vaccination drives, promoting institutional deliveries, creating awareness on modern medical system, diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Along with primary healthcare centers, secondary and tertiary healthcare centers, they are responsible for decreased maternal mortality rates, neonatal mortality rates, infant mortality rates, under 5 mortality rates, and improved lifespan. They are also creating awareness on menstrual hygiene. They are helping in establishing self-help groups, cooperatives, awareness on microcredit facilities, banking, financial literacy. They are also imparting skills and upgradation of skills. They are also promoting textiles, handlooms, handicrafts and other tribal products. They are also promoting irrigational facilities and conservation of water, mixed farming, eco-forestry and organic farming. They are also promoting education by conducting classes at brick kilns, construction sites, etc. They are also establishing crèche for tribal children where tribal people are working. They are creating awareness on their rights and modern democratic institutions. They are training them on leadership roles and responsibilities. They are fighting against injustice, land alienation, fighting against sale of liquor and other intoxicants in tribal areas. In this way, NGOs are playing an important role in social, economic and political development of tribal people. Demerits or disadvantages or setbacks or negative impact of NGOs. See, some NGOs are only interested in funding, and you can see there is a mushrooming growth of NGOs all over the country, and some NGOs who used to receive funds from foreign countries were only interested in staging protests and halting the developmental projects. And such kind of NGOs who receive funds from foreign countries or foreign organizations are put under scanner by the Ministry of Home Affairs and for FCRA, Foreign Currency Regulation Act. But some, as I said, no, some people are understaffed and they are only solely interested in the projects where funding is more, and that is not for spending on tribal people, but it is for their own sustenance. So such kind of things are also there, which is a downside of NGOs. So this is about the role of NGOs in tribal development. So they are doing good job and some are not doing good job.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.